The Juicing Masterclass. Get Jay's free juicing ebook. Click the link down below.
Now comes the piece de resistance. This is magnificent, especially for our summer months. The greatest thirst quencher of all, Jay's world-famous lemonade. Now, with this lemonade, you don't use any water. No water involved. There's no sweetener, like honey, much less bleached white sugar. The greatest drink of all time, greatest thirst quencher, great to provide body fluids to you, you know, especially if you're athletic and you're perspiring a lot. Bring this particular drink in a thermos bottle to your health spa or racquetball court, all right? Now, very simply, in the summer months, sometimes we want something ice cold. It's better for you to drink things at room temperature, but sometimes it's just more thirst quenching, if you will call it that, you know. And what I recommend for all of you on all your different varieties of fruit juices is take some ice cubes and pour the ice cubes, or crushed ice if you will, ahead of time into the pitcher or glass. Place that underneath. And what I want you to do, I want you to pre-cut your apples. Never, listen, here's a little helpful hint. When you're making these combinations, never take one apple and cut it up and push it through there, then have to take the time to cut another apple and push it through, and then again take more time to cut. Get everything prepared ahead of time, because time is of an essence. You lose a lot of food value quite quickly. I've got the apples all cut. You're going to take a lemon, a normal size lemon, and cut it in half. Now remember this, it doesn't take much. And in this particular case, unlike the Christmas cocktail where you only use the white part and the yellow part, you are going to use the yellow, the white rind, and you're going to use the juicy or meaty part, if you will. Now you're going to take a lemon, and you're going to put 1/4 of a lemon, just 1/4, the way I have it here, into your juice machine. And turn the motor on. Here's your lemon, skin and all. Now, in lieu of water, you're putting the apple in, and the apple juice then becomes the watery part, and the apple sugar, or fructose if you will, becomes the sweetening agent, and you've got the greatest lemonade, bar none, in the world.